Hello, it's Belinda Weaver here from Copyright Matters, and I wanted to take just a few minutes to talk about a copywriting technique that some people overlook. Now, if you've been a copywriter for a little while, you might have heard the feedback from clients. I would like the copy to be punchier, snappier. I want the words to pop from the page. It all adds up to making the copywriting more exciting. So how can you do that without adding hundreds of exclamation points to your copy, which is a bad idea. You shouldn't do that. It's a lot easier than you might think. What you need to do to create a more exciting tone to your copy is create a more exciting rhythm. And if you want to create a more exciting rhythm, then you have to shake up your sentence lengths. It's that easy. Short sentences are more dramatic. They have more impact. They are also more casual. So they don't fit a very formal tone of voice. But when you mix short sentences with long sentences, you can create a more exciting rhythm in your copy. The inverse is just the same. When all your sentences are exactly the same length, it's like a very slow drumbeat to your copy. Your readers begin to anticipate it and kind of lulls them into a dozy read. And that's not what we want. So we want to shake up their eyes, shake up their brains, and mix up our sentence lengths. And remember, 1 or 2 word sentences are definitely a thing. So don't be afraid to put really, really short sentences in there. Remember, short sentences and long sentences are how you can create an exciting rhythm in your copy without lots of exclamation points. So next time a client asks you to make the copy pop a little bit more, they're looking for something a little snappier, start by looking at the lengths of your sentences and throw in some of those really short ones. If you'd like to catch more copywriting tips, like Copyright Matters on Facebook, you can also check out my YouTube channel, Copyright Matters TV. I'm sharing regular copywriting tips to help make your copywriting better. See you next time.